Today I'm going to be opening a surprise bag from Peppa Pig. You can see the scene that Peppa Pig is at a birthday party. Let's see what we have. First, we have a Peppa Pig coloring book. See the pig. The front page is Peppa Pig playing in a muddy puddle. Next we have a blank puzzle. Now we have a balloon with a picture of Georgie playing in a muddy puddle. Lastly, we have markers. We can use our markers in our coloring book and color on our puzzle. We have black, brown, red, yellow, green, and blue. Thank you for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe.